How's it T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. A subject for our review this week is the CORSAIR HS65 gaming headset with 7.1 surround sound. This is one of CORSAIR's mid-range gaming headset. It comes in two colors, carbon and white. I'm going to leave the specs on the screen, so take a look. Also, click on the like button while you're watching. It is a metric YouTube uses to put out the videos. This channel needs your support to grow, so click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have a few things going on in the works to improve these videos and set up for a studio for the channel. We appreciate your participation and support. I'll put the affiliate link of this headset in the description if you decide you want it. Support your boy. Okay, let's get back to it. Are you ready? Let's go. The headband is made with hard plastic and has a matte finish. It's a little bendable but not as flexible as I would like. It also doesn't expand as much, so if you have a large head, you might have a problem with this one. It might stretch enough to fit your head, but you will have issues with a bit of tension from the headband. The size extender at the end of the headband helps a little bit, but ultimately there's still the issue of tension around your ears. CORSAIR must have considered that when designing the headset, because I think they made a little provisions to ease the pressure in the design of the ear cups, but we'll get to that. Under the headband is a section of foam covered in PU leather that creates a soft rest position on the top of your head. It is very soft and not too padded, and that reduces the overall weight of the headset, which I might add is just 282 grams. The ear cups are large and cylindrical in shape. It is connected to the headband by a hinge that allows it to swivel to a 90-degree position so you can fold it up neatly. Aesthetics on this headset is just how I like it. Not over the top. Too many lights sometimes make the headset look unnecessarily bulky and heavy looking. First is the color scheme. The white and grey gives it a good look. Then is the mix of the white plastic with a matte finish and the aluminum mesh CORSAIR logo at the back of the ear cups. Beautiful combination. So while this headset does not have all the RGB lights and what have you, it still looks great. But I would admit it's not going to be everybody's choice, because I do know some people that won't even consider a headset with no lights. You know who you are. Hopefully you're watching this. Earlier I said there's a bit of tension from the headband, that the design of the ear cups helps to ease the tension. Now to clarify what I meant. The earmuffs are made with very soft foam and very soft pleather. The foam is quite big, and that really does a good job at reducing the tension around your ears. They are large enough to cover your ears, so no irritating feeling around your earlobes. Super comfortable. There is no need for an inline control since the volume knob is on the right ear cup. Now it's time to talk about the sound profile. CORSAIR did justice to this headset with the kind of sound the speaker produces. I've used a lot of budget and flagship headsets, but this one is a serious contender. It's super clear, very well balanced, no distortions, and the low notes, great. To enjoy the full range and features of this headset, you need the USB 7.1 surround sound adapter that's included in the box and the IQ software. With it, you can do a range of things like equalizer settings, volume config, RGB lights config for the headsets that do have them, and a lot more. The USB 7.1 adapter enables the Dolby Audio surround sound. It delivers excellently, especially in object positioning. Another thing you can do with the software is called Sound ID personalization. Basically, you program your own settings based on your listening experience, so that if someone else uses the headset and changes the settings, you can always go back to your audio settings easily. FYI, the Dolby surround sound feature is only available when using the IQ app on PC and Mac. The microphone is a non-detachable omnidirectional mic. It's a very flexible mic, so you can place it however you want. It is also a flip to mute mic, so no buttons or switches to mute the mic when you don't want to use it, which is very convenient. Sound production from this mic is really good, and the IQ software also enhances the sound. Take a listen to what it sounds like. Howzit T.O.B family, this is a mic test of the CORSAIR HS65 gaming headset, one of CORSAIR's budget options. Very good gaming headset. This is what using the mic sounds like. Let's get back to it. For audio connectors, this headset has a 3.5mm audio jack and a 7.1 surround sound USB adapter. There is no Dolby support when using the 3.5mm connection, but don't be fooled. The sound is still great without the USB adapter. The USB surround sound adapter only works with PC and Mac. Being able to connect with an audio jack and USB connector makes the headset versatile. You can use it on PS4 and 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series, Nintendo Switch, Stream Deck, phones, PCs, and Mac. Please use the links in the description to buy the headset if you want it. You'll be supporting the channel and the projects I have in the works to improve the presentation and scope of the channel. Included too are links of some of the products I use both on this channel and on the move. Please don't forget to like the video so the algorithm recommends it to others. It won't cost you a thing, but it means a lot to the channel. So in summary, there are a few budget headsets that I can say surpasses my expectation. Most are just okay since you're in a pinch. Others would make sense to have even if you are not low on cash, but just for the fact that they are good and reliable. Then there are those like the CORSAIR HS65 that can hold their own against a lot of flagship headsets out there. This headset definitely gets the TOB stamp of approval. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. For other ways to support, click on the thanks button or check out our links in the description. Until next time, take care.